Alleges State BJP President Ernest Maury has alleged that focus scheme is being misused. Questioning the government about the sources of the money, he expressed surprise that this scheme is implemented only in those places where the candidates of the NPP is going to contest the elections. He further questioned whether it's a grant or a loan of a grant that should have been dispensed from the DC's office or from the Block Development Office, but it's surprising that all the schemes were implemented by the Basin Development Authority.
So that they will send that 5,000 to their account. And this scheme they want to implement only where the candidate of the NPP they are going to contest the election. And it happened in the 18 West Shillong constituency. One of the workers of the NPP, he went to different localities and asked the people of that localities to provide the bank account so that they will send that 5,000 to their account. And they told that it is a grant. So, from where this money comes?